All right, I do. I really love my hair. Bonjour Mon Petites, it is I, the fabulous Trice, back with a new video. I am feeling my hair so much. I am ready to show you guys how I did this. I think this is actually the first time I've ever done a perm rod set, and I achieved this with 20 perm rods. Usually I think people use like 36, 45 or something like that. So I tried to use as few as possible, and I think it came out fantastic. Before we go to the other side though, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, hit the notification bell, and follow me on Instagram at @callme_Trice. And now, if you want to see how I do what I do and how you can do it too, then keep on watching and I will catch you on the other side. All right, so it is beyond time for me to wash my hair. It is itchy, it is dirty, it is, well, I don't say dirty, but my scalp is all jacked up and dry and flaky and whatnot. But I wanted to stretch this out to at least 3 weeks because I knew that I'm going to be putting heat on my hair again, because I'm going to blow it out once I wash it. So I wanted to stretch out the time between heat applications. So I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair down the center for this style, because even if I don't wear a center part, I do want the red to be separated from the black. I don't want it to get mixed up in anything. Aside from the scalp oil that I'm going to be using, and that's by Moeva Hair something. I'll put the link to their Instagram in the description box. But besides the oil that I'm using for my scalp, I am only going to be using 2 products from Lotta Body, and that is their styling cream and their foam wrap lotion. Those will also be linked in the description box below. If you just click on my Amazon store, you will be able to find them. So I've already sectioned my hair out, and I'm going to apply the cream stuff, and then I'm going to comb that out, make sure that the product is evenly distributed through my strands. Then I'm going to use the foam wrap stuff and do the same thing, get that all on my strands. And then I'm going to take the large green perm rods. That is all I'm using. I use 20 of them total, and I am going to twist my hair around the perm rod. I'm going to speed up the back, and then when I get back to the front, I'm going to slow it back down for you, just so you see the exact twirling method that I use. But yeah. So I know we're not at the front yet, but I just wanted to let you guys know that, like I said, I did do 20 rods in my head, but I did the back in 4 sections with 3 rollers in each section, and then in the front there were 4 on each side. The next time I do it, I'm gonna do them with even less, because I really believe that it can be done. Because even though I only use 20 rods, sleeping with them is still annoying, and I feel like it puts too much stress on my scalp. So if I do say maybe like 10, I think it'll put even less stress on my scalp, and I don't even think it'll matter which size rods I use. So I just wanted to let you guys know that as well. All right, so for the twisting technique, I just wrap my hair around the bottom of the perm rod and then twirl it up the rest of the perm rod, like to make a corkscrew, and then I just secure it closed. I'm going to show you that one more thing on this next one. Again, I just wrap the hair around the lowest part that I can of the perm rod. Well, not necessarily the lowest part, but it goes low on there. And then I twirl it up. Instead of rolling it, I'm twirling it up to do a corkscrew effect. It gives you more definition, and you don't get those stupid ass flat Shirley Temple curly Sue type curls. I don't like them. I don't like them. If you like them, you go ahead and do that. But if you're trying to get them like this, then you do the corkscrew joint. One more thing to note, I did use the orange perm rods on the sides of my hair. And it's just because I felt like it would be more effective since that section of my hair is so thin. Like the sides of my hair are very thin. So I just felt like the smaller perm rod would give me a better result. And last but not least, I'm not sure if you noticed, but when I was wrapping the end of my hair around the rod, I made sure that my hair actually overlapped the ends of my hair so that they did not come off the rod. A lot of people don't explain that about how they secure their hair onto the rod, because my hair ain't just sticking to the rod, girl. So we got to wrap it around there and make sure that it stays on the rod. So I hope that made sense. Just rewind the video if you need to, just so you could see how I secure the ends of my hair onto the perm rod. Okay, so there are exactly 20 perm rods in my head. Some of them I may retwist, like this one in the front. I'm not sure about it, but I'm gonna let these dry all day. I may come back tonight, I may come back in the morning. I'll probably come back in the morning so we can see the results, so we can see the takedown, so we can see how these come out, because I don't know how they're gonna come out. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when I get back. All right, so I'm back. I'm gonna take these down and hopefully they came out good, man, because I'm not too sure. Lord. So I think there might be some bad ones and some good ones in here. I don't know, y'all. Oh, I don't know. We gonna see. Hopefully the front is good, because I don't know about this back, y'all. I don't know. Look, see the end look raggedy. Oh, it look dry. Oh, girl. All right, it's not terrible. All right, we're gonna separate these somehow. I guess where it naturally wants to separate, that's where we'll do it. I mean, really, I don't be caring about how the back looks, because the back of my head is like a whole other place, and it just be doing whatever it wants to do, you know? So I just kind of let the back be as it will. It's actually coming out right. Okay, I'm not mad anymore. I'm not too nervous anymore, because it's coming out the way that I envisioned. So it's not yeah, it's not bad. I just got to make sure that when I'm twirling, that I'm twirling in the right direction. I think this is the right direction, because if I twirl it in the wrong direction, I'm gonna mess around and undo, you know what I'm saying, what's done. So you just want to make sure that when you're twirling your hair around your finger, you are twirling it in the correct direction. Don't uncurl your curl, girl. Don't uncurl your curl, girl.
Don't uncurl your curl, girl.
Yeah, this is cute. Y'all, this is cute. This is cute. Girl, I'm excited. See, I feel like I'm twirling these the wrong way. Is this the way it goes? I think that's the way it goes. Now, where's that big piece? There we go. And you see how it kind of just opens up and breaks apart on its own? This one don't got no other places to break apart, but see, it kind of shows you where it wants to break. And I'm not doing them all the same size because I'm not a fan of uniformity when it comes to my hair. I like to let it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? This bothers me though. Oh, there we go. Found it. I told you it'll show you. It'll show you where it wants to break apart at. Big clumps. That's what I'm searching for right now. Just big clumps. So I can take those guys apart. Oh my God, y'all. I am so surprised at how good this is coming out. And I haven't even fluffed it yet, girl. This is so cute. See, break apart, twirl, break apart, swirl. Where do you want to break apart? Swirl. Well, that wasn't a good swirl, but you get the point. Oop, that wants to break. This is exciting. And the funny thing is that I actually don't remember having ever done an actual perm rod set. I know like a long time ago I did one of those twist and curls, you know, with the perm rods at the ends. I remember having, there we go. I remember having done one of those. But I don't, like I said, I don't recall ever having done an actual perm rod set. So this is very exciting for me because it's brand new, you know. My hair, like, I might wear my hair like this for another week. Because you know what? It's going to look even better in a few days. Like, it came out so good, y'all. This is so exciting. Y'all, my gray hairs are disrespectful. They just here like, hey girl. And I'm like, who you? Why are you here? Okay, apparently the ones in the front want to break apart a bit more than the ones in the back, which is fine. I mean, like I said, I kind of let my hair just do what it do, what she do, how she do. This is beautiful, y'all. This is beautiful. It's beautiful. All right, so this is where we are before we oh, Mr. Big Old Chunk, girl. I'm gonna turn around and show you guys the back before I fluff it out, because for some reason y'all have an obsession with seeing the back of folks' heads like we can see the back of our heads in real life. I can't never see the back of my head, so I don't even care what the back of my head looks like. So I'm just gonna turn around and show you guys the back of my head, so don't nobody be in my comments like, in the future, can you turn around and show us the back? But I'm not gonna be showing y'all the back of my head too often. Why? Because I don't care about the back, so you shouldn't care about the back. But let me turn around. Also, because I'm sitting on the floor, so turning around is annoying. Okay, I have no idea what's going on back there. I can't see it. Anywho, gonna grab my pick. Oh, look. This is fun. All right, I'm gonna grab my pick and I'm going to fluff it up. Give it some volume. Yeah. No, but for real, I don't understand what the obsession is with looking at the back of folks' head. Like, the back probably looks fine, and if it doesn't, oh well. It is soft and fluffy, and well, it's not fluffy, but it's really, I'm thoroughly enjoying what I have going on right now. So okay guys, so that brings us to the end of another tutorial with Trice. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, I greatly appreciate it. Get my videos out there, you know what I'm saying? Okay,
Make sure you subscribe to the channel, join the family, come on in, you know what I'm saying? And follow me on Instagram, all social media, wherever I am. Call me_Trice is the name, and that's how you find your girl. Okay, that's all there is to say, and there is no more, except as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, love you, love you, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.